A natural remedy to get rid of bed bugs in 24 hours. For this purpose, you will need only 3 ingredients. Number 1 is canned pepper powder. Number 2 is baking soda. Number 3 is white vinegar. How to make this remedy? Take almost 2 to 3 tablespoons of canned pepper powder. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda in it and add 6 to 7 spoons of white vinegar. Mix all the ingredients well. When the mixture is ready, add into a square bottle and shake well. Spread this mixture on the area where you wanted to get rid of bed bugs. This remedy is very effective, and we know that bed bugs are a common problem now. This remedy will work for you and you can easily get rid of bed bugs. I hope you will enjoy this video and this remedy will work for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon button for new videos. Thank you very much.